Today, I'll walk you through how to draft a Google Calendar event in Google Docs, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create a well-structured event draft so you can streamline your scheduling process. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Google Docs. This is where you'll create your event draft. If you're familiar with Google Docs, think of it as your digital notebook, perfect for jotting down ideas and plans. Once you're on the Google Docs homepage, click on the option to create a blank document. This will give you a clean slate to work with. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the steps will still be the same. Now take a moment to click on the untitled document at the top. This is where you can change your document's name to something like Meeting Draft. Naming your document helps keep your files organized, just like labeling a folder in a filing cabinet. With your document named, it's time to start drafting. On the document page, write down the details of the event you're planning. This could include the title, agenda, and any other relevant information. Think of this as preparing a script for a play. Every detail matters. Next, to add the date for your calendar event, simply type the @ symbol followed by the date. This is where Google Docs smart chips come into play, making it easy to insert dates seamlessly. It's totally normal if this takes a moment, just take your time. After typing the date, choose your desired date from the suggestions that appear. This will help ensure that your event is scheduled correctly. Once you've selected the date, click on OK to save your changes. This step is crucial as it confirms the date you want for your event. Now, to save this information to your Google Calendar, make sure to click on the date you just added. This action will link your draft to your calendar, making it easier to manage your schedule. To finalize everything, click on Book Meeting. This is like hitting the send button on an important email. You're officially setting your plans in motion. Once you do this, you'll be redirected to the Google Calendar events page. Here, you can double-check all the details to ensure everything is accurate. Just like proofreading a document, this step is essential to avoid any last-minute surprises. Finally, click on Save to confirm your event. Your final schedule should now reflect in your Google Calendar, ready for you to view and share. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any snags, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.